I am Sister Gigi Jos, belong to the congregation of the Daughters of the Church. This week, I attended the course on Faith-Filled Leadership. This course was presented by Father Alvin Zequera Ozili. His pleasant presentation and knowledge kept everyone engaged and enriched. Father, you created a comfortable environment for learning and discussion. The real-life examples shared during the seminar enhanced our understanding. I appreciate, Father, the effort taken to present the topic in a simple and systematic way. Attending the course improved our knowledge and awareness about the subject. The session was interactive, educational, and inspiring. Thank you, dear Father, for delivering such an informative and engaging session.